Gold is on the rise again, and you won't want to miss out on this golden opportunity, thanks to Chinese demand and the US banking crisis. With China's COVID policies being lifted, consumers in China are rushing to buy more gold jewelry, bars and coins. Plus, with the ongoing banking turmoil and the de-dollarization movement, investors are flocking to the precious metal as a safe haven for steady returns in times of uncertainty. Gold prices are hitting 8%, reaching to its new heights. Over and above, the regional US bank, PacWest's announcement that it's exploring a potential sale is adding fuel to the fire. The recent surge in gold futures on the Comex exchange has matched its all-time high of $2,028 per ounce, and experts predict it's only going up from here. And it's not just small-time investors jumping on board. Central banks around the world are buying up gold like crazy. They hope to counterbalance their reliance on the US dollar, with a record-breaking 228 tons purchased in the first quarter alone. This is not a drill, people. The old gold rush is back. What do you think about it? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Follow for more Forex news and broker exposed update. Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.